If you're over 60, you may have noticed something subtle. Your legs don't feel the same. They tire faster, they feel colder, sometimes heavier, sometimes restless at night. Many people assume this is just aging. But here's the truth. Leg circulation often changes quietly, long before pain appears. And the earlier you understand it, the more control you keep. This video isn't about fear. It's about awareness and small things that actually help. Your legs are farthest from your heart. That means blood must work harder to travel down and even harder to return upward. As we age, blood vessels lose elasticity. Muscles assist circulation less. We sit more than we realize. So, especially in the legs, this is why many seniors notice swelling around ankles, cold feet, tingling or heaviness, fatigue when walking. Not dangerous by itself, but important to understand. Doctors often focus on heart, blood pressure, cholesterol, but circulation quality is rarely discussed unless there's a serious issue. So people adapt quietly, sitting more, walking less, accepting discomfort as normal. But circulation is responsive, even later in life. And that's the good news. Let's talk about what truly helps, calmly, realistically. One gentle daily movement. You don't need intense exercise. Even short walks, standing breaks, light leg movement while seated help muscles push blood upward. Consistency matters more than intensity. As we age, thirst signals weaken, but blood needs fluid to move well. Dehydration equals thicker blood equals slower circulation. Small reminder, sip water regularly, even if you don't feel thirsty. Not magic pills, just support. The most commonly discussed for circulation. Vitamin B12 supports nerve and blood health. Vitamin D, linked to vascular function. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation and flow. These don't fix circulation. They support the systems that allow it. Always discuss supplements with a professional, especially after 60. Poor leg circulation doesn't just affect the body. It affects confidence, independence, willingness to go out. Some people stop walking as much. They sit more. They shrink their world quietly. That's the real cost. Understanding brings confidence back, and confidence keeps people moving. These aren't dramatic. They're effective. Move your legs every hour. Elevate feet slightly when resting. Wear comfortable, non-tight clothing. Keep walking, even slowly. Small habits protect freedom. Aging changes circulation, but it doesn't remove control. Awareness is powerful, and small daily actions matter more than people realize. If this helped you understand your body a little better, stay with this channel. We explain what aging actually feels like, calmly and honestly.